Welcome back, YouTubers. It's your boy Cap back at it again with another video, and today it's going to be the New Orleans Pelicans. So I'm just letting you know this was not planned to be done after the Boogie trade or anything. It was planned to be done before that, and I could do a second video, but you know, things happen, so we're gonna just go with it. And we're going to rebuild it with Boogie, but it's, not going to be the same, as there's really, other than cap shaving moves, there's really not a whole lot to do with this roster. Like, Etwan Moore needs to find somewhere else to play, Solomon Hill, but like, overall this roster is pretty well set up, I think, at least. I kind of like this trade because we're getting a shooting guard, which we do not have, and we're cutting a ton of cap. So we're going to make this. We give up a second rounder, who cares? Here's our roster, though. As I've heard that Terrence Jones is on the block, but I think we're going to keep him to come off the bench. And then we've got Pondexter. I mean, we're just missing some pieces, but wow. It's time to move some centers down there. Let's do that right now. Ashik and a Jinsa need to find a new place. Alright, well, we only got 3 offers for that, so it looks like we're gonna take this. Thunder can have fun with that. And then we're gonna move Singler. Oh my gosh, we got a ton of small forwards now. Okay, so we're gonna move Cunningham and Singler first. I think we'll make that move right there. Alright, let's do this. Rakeem Christmas and Kevin Seraphin. Let's see what we do need position-wise. We got 2 point guards. We need shooting guards, but we need 4 power forwards and 3. Yeah, we need to get rid of our forwards. Holy cow. Alright, so let's do this. Sort it. Alright. See if we can move these 3. Alright, we'll leave Kissippee out. We need guards. There's one guard. There's a guard. Alright. You know what? Let's see if they got a shooting guard. It's not very good. See if they'll send us Ulyss. Knew they wouldn't. Yeah, we just need a couple cheap guards. Alright, we'll just make that move. Alright, our chemistry is gonna be garbage, but it's whatever. We do need another shooting guard. We need to get rid of Montehunis and Rakeem Christmas. See what we can get for them. There we go. There's a couple guards. Alright, you know what? I think we're going to go with the Bulls trade. I'm going to come back to that. Ooh, Ben McLemore. What's he got contract-wise? Ooh. So you don't need any bigs at all. Like, anyone we have ain't gonna play. Alright, let's make this move. Oh my gosh, you're kidding me. Let's not move Montehunis. Let's move King Christmas in our first rounder. See what we can get. Just trying to get a and get rid of. You know what? We don't even need to move him. Contract extensions. We should be good there. All right. So there's the roster. I'll catch you guys at the end of the year. Here we are at the end of year 1. LeBron James is your MVP. Ben Simmons Rookie of the Year. Tyreek Evans is 6th Man of the Year. LeBron's your Defensive Player of the Year. D'Angelo Russell Most Improved. And Dave Fizdale is the Coach of the Year. Here are NBA teams. DeMarcus Cousins. And that'll be it for us, I would bet. Alright. So, we are the 6th seed. I don't see how the Rockets are beating us. I'm gonna be pretty upset if we don't make it out of this series. There we go. Whew. Pulled that one out. Go to the coaching, get the game plan all set back up. I mean, with these two in the middle and then Drew Holiday, we shouldn't have any troubles with teams. But, you know, let's go. Come on. Jump. There we go. Let's go. Alright. San Antonio, they're a good team. Alright. Game plan because we're down 2-0. Terrence Jones. Dude, you gotta be kidding me. Can't go cold here. Don't get. Yeah, I knew that was coming. And Cleveland will win the title. LeBron's your finals MVP because he's always 98. He's not that good. Hear me say that every video because he's not. League meetings. I'll catch you guys at the draft though. Here we are after the draft, and we picked up Markelle Fultz and Grayson Allen. Figured they're going to complement our team well as we have bigs already, so picking up a couple guards ain't going to hurt us. Team player options, we're obviously going to decline both of those dudes. They aren't going to help us enough to keep them. And that's around the league. Qualifying offers, we have none. My free agents. Obviously, we'll offer Drew. Montehunis. Ooh, I don't know. Sure, he can be a backup. Kasipi, of course, if he's taking a minimum deal. Seraphin, of course, if he's taking a minimum. Alright. So, next it is free agency. I think it's signing Kevin Durant. It's over. Everyone should call it a game because nobody is stopping us after this. Like I don't see how. Alright, so simulator today. Caspi, Seraphin. I love how it jumped me. Okay, so that's cool. We went from in the driver's seat to nothing, but no worries. Let's look at the roster really quick. Alright, I really would like a new small forward and shooting guards. That's what we're going to do right now. One-year deal, JJ Redick. And you'll get Markelle Fultz right next to him. In 1 year of Rudy Gay. He'll get Markelle Fultz beside him too. Ooh. You know what? Let's sign Stevenson. Oh. Who's costing a bunch? Stevenson. You know what? It's not worth it to bring in JJ Redick. He's quite a bit more expensive. So we will not sign Redick. We'll sign Rudy Gay. Of course, Monza Eunice. Go somewhere else. And we have... What do we need still? Backup point guard, backup power forward. You're right. You're nuts. Alright, now point guards. Rajon Rondo. Of course we'll sign you that cheap. Yogi Ferrell. Alright, sign all those guys. We got 14, we're good. I'll catch you guys at the end of next season. Here at the end of year 2, LeBron is your MVP. Markelle Fultz, Rookie of the Year. Look at that, look at that. Mason Plumlee, 6th man. Kawhi Leonard, Defensive Player. Dante Exum, Most Improved. And Doc Rivers, Coach of the Year. Here are all NBA teams. I didn't miss it, nope. Hey, Anthony Davis, all defensive second team. Alright, so we are the 2 seed in the West with a 53-29 record. Still not up to where we should be record-wise. Let's go make sure our game plan's set up. Alright. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh, if we lose this 7 seed, I'm gonna scream. Not really, but jeez. Okay, what do we got? Sorry, Amir Johnson, but it's just not time for you to play. These two need to go to the game. And Rudy Gay needs some minutes. Alright. Let's try this. It's an elimination game. Alright, time to go back. I just wrote it until it didn't work. Oh my gosh. We were eliminated. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, so leaves the last year to win a title again. Nothing like the last year though, huh? Looks like the Warriors are not invincible though. So now I'll catch up with you at free agency and I'll update you if I make any moves. Here are team player options. We're going to pick up Chaik and Grayson Allen, but not pick up Derrick Jones Jr.'s option. Alright, let's look at who accepted their offers. Paul George will be out there, so that'll be a big thing. Alright. On where do we move? Qualifying offers, we have none. Free agents, Boogie. We need him back for sure. We'll obviously offer him a max because there's no reason to lose him. Amir Johnson. Jeez. He was a minimum guy last year. Seraphin, a minimum. We will not sign them though until after everybody has been signed. Jeez, Caspi, you're such a goon. Alright. Free agency. So we will get Boogie back hopefully. Obviously we're going to offer Paul George. Just in case we can get him. Yeah, we can't. That's alright though. Melo. Alright, DeMarcus Cousins is back. Seraphin and Derek Jones. Welcome back. I do need backup power forward and small forward. You know, nuts. You don't do nothing. You're backups. Like, who cares about you? Rudy Gay, welcome back. Kuzminskis. Good night. Got any bird guys left? Nope. I got no money either. Yeah, I'm just gonna simulate to the end of next year. I'll catch you then. Here we're at the end of year 3. LeBron James is your MVP. Ron Wilkes is your Rookie of the Year. Mason Plumlee, 6th man. Kawhi Leonard, Defensive Player of the Year. Marcus Smart, Most Improved. And Greg Popovich, for your very own New Orleans Pelicans, is your Coach of the Year. Here are all NBA teams. DeMarcus Cousins. Anthony Davis. So that'll be it, I believe. So we'll head on to the playoffs. See, we're the 1 seed, 65 and 17. We shouldn't have a whole lot of trouble as we were rolling in the season. No, you gotta be kidding me. There we go. We don't need to clean sweep them, I guess. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. We're down 3-2. I swear. This game drives me nuts. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're at home for game 7. We shouldn't lose, and we got throttled for a whole quarter. Who the heck do the Mavericks have that could possibly do that to our team? I will step in, though, that's for sure. As you guys know, I will do. Alright, you know what? I'm going to catch you after this game. Hopefully we can pull it off, because I don't want to leave without a ring. We did pull it off. It wasn't that hard, though. They just were not up to our caliber. Good Lord. You've got to be kidding me. This is my point. Like, we're so much better than the Warriors. There's a reason we won like 20 more games over the season. Come on, boys. There we go. Pull away. Let's go. That's a dub. Blew them out. Time for the Cavs. 2-0, 2-1, 2-2. Alright. So we split. We won at home, but we lost on the road. Lost at home. You've got to be kidding me. So we got there. Couldn't win it this time. You know, my opinion, everyone's going nuts over this, like, quote, super team. But these two just don't space the floor enough. It's just like 2 minutes. It's two guys who play basically the same position. That's why I think for super teams you need a wing, you need a guard, and you need a big. And you know, clearly we were lacking up top, but we were way too good down here. They did the exact same thing. But that's it for the video. Like and subscribe while you're here, and I'll catch y'all next time.